Good day. Here's the latest news for today. Governor Bambi Emano together with IATF Chief Dr. Jerie Calingasan intensely advised everyone to follow strict health protocols due to the apprehension at the present with additional 40 confirmed cases in the province. Here's Jerie for the full details.
Yes, Queen. Provincial Health Office Head Dr. Jerie Calingasan reported that currently the province of Misamis Oriental gained an alarming number of 40 new positive cases recorded from April 1 to 4 this year caused by the COVID-19 or coronavirus. According to Dr. Jerie Calingasan, this does not only affect a certain municipality but has already spread to different places here in the province, namely the municipalities of Initaw, Gitagum, Taguluan, Salay, Balingwan, and Hingog City, with the highest number of cases recorded that contributes to the alarming rate of affected individuals in the country with 15,000 confirmed cases. Most importantly, PHO strongly reminded everyone to be vigilant and careful both at home and at work by strictly following health protocols. This is not just for us but also for our families, co-workers, and the entire people in the province who have families of their own to protect and defend in this troubling time. With high hopes and determination, Governor Bambi Emano and the Interagency Task Force are continually and tirelessly doing all of the measures and procedures to ensure the welfare and prevent the widespread of COVID-19 for a safer and COVID-free Misamis Oriental. This is Jerie aimed towards a clean and honest governance, reporting for the province of Misamis Oriental. Queen.
Thanks, Gio. In another story, with the abrupt surge of COVID-19 cases in the country, Governor Bambi Emano together with the Provincial Health Office is urging all capital employees to take precautionary measures and follow strict health protocols to guarantee safety at home, workplace, and the entire province. Here's Danny Shama Jr. for the update.
Yes, Queen. On Monday's virtual flag raising ceremony held at the Provincial Capitol, Dr. Jerie Calingasan voiced out some concerns regarding the Provincial Capitol employees' strict compliance on the basic health protocols that should be well implemented and followed. With the abrupt surge of COVID-19 cases in the country for the past weeks, Dr. Calingasan urged all arriving individuals in the province of Misamis Oriental to undergo a 7-day quarantine and a PCR test. Also, Dr. Calingasan emphasized that meetings should be prohibited in the provincial capital in the next 2 weeks or 14 days except if necessary. With such, he encouraged all attendees to follow the minimum number of people involved to avoid the spread of the virus. Moreover, the policy on ILI or influenza-like illness should be applied. He added that capital employees who are experiencing fever, cough, and cold should undergo and initiate a quarantine for themselves and avoid going to work unless there is an assessment from the Provincial Health Office. All employees should also ask permission from the department heads once they plan to travel outside the province and strictly undergo quarantine once they arrive home. Most importantly, Dr. Calingasan advised that all department heads should review the policies that Governor Bambi Emano signed regarding on the proper implementation of COVID-19 health protocols and stated that these are not only to protect themselves but also their family members and co-workers. Specifically, department heads are urged to watch over their constituents and be aware of the places that they visit or go to. With the alarming rise of COVID-19 cases from April 1 to April 4 in the province gaining 40 new cases, Governor Bambi Emano together with Provincial Health Office strongly reminded everyone to be extra careful and mindful of their everyday dealings and activities to secure wellness and safety for the common good. This is Danny Shama Jr. aimed towards a clean and honest governance, reporting for the province of Misamis Oriental. Queen.
Thanks, Danny. And that is the most recent news for today. For more details, please visit the Misamis Oriental Provincial Information Facebook page. Once again, I am Queen Exclamador. Good day.